Yeah, drop, hey, huh.
Hello guys, this is 𝗪𝗚𝗟𝗟𝗟, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to build up a beast setup in order to play CTFs, binary exploitation challenge, reverse engineering and stuff. I have a script that will change your UIs, install some basic hacking tools. Most of them are pawn, but I have some other extras if you want. It will change your 𝗧𝗟𝗟𝗟𝗪 file and will make your UI and icons a bit cooler, some 𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗟𝗪 plugins and some other functions. So, how to install the script? I have this command here. So, if you want to install all the tools I have, you just take this command with --all. Otherwise, if you only want this for binary exploitation, for pawn, you remove --all and you do --pawn. Also, if you want to install the dot files, the cool UIs and stuff I have, you can add --dot for the dot files and stuff. And some other things I have here is Sublime editor. I kinda like this, even though I also use Vim. And I installed the programmer theme. I set indentation tab to 2 spaces, please do not use 4, and the word are true. Also, I have an automated Python script for my exploits. You can run pawn templates if you have added this to your 𝗧𝗟𝗟𝗟𝗪 file. Otherwise, just take this command, it will create a solver py for you. And a brief demonstration here. So, installer.sh. If you want to take a look at the pawn stuff, I have the install pawn function. So, it installs some stuff. 𝗪𝗟𝗟𝗟𝗪, one gadgets are pretty much necessary, at least one gadget. And of course, our main weapon here is pwntools, the most reliable tool you can use for that. I also have some rope gadget. You can only keep whatever you need, but this one includes many cases here. I also install pwndbg as your local debugger. And pretty much this. And for my dot files, you can also see here what I make, what you want. This is mainly Vim and 𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗟. And let's head back and see the dot files. Here you'll see what your 𝗧𝗟𝗟𝗟𝗪 will look like. And here is the template I use for my exploit scripts. So it is like this. Just sets up some function, nothing fancy, just these helper functions, and how to prepare your scripts will work with that. That's why I'm including it. And you'll see that, for example, your Vim will look like this. You can do some cool stuff like this, and you can run around wherever you want and write and stuff like that. And also your Sublime will look like this. With the programmer theme. So these are the main stuff. Let's also take a look at how the script will look. Also, you have this trans command. If you set it to 10, you'll have ultra transparency. If you set it to 0, you'll have like this, and you can choose some other integers, whatever you like. And I'll go with 2, or let's say 0 to make it more visible here. And let's try and run the command. So let's see how this works. I will go with I will only do just pawn and see what happens. So installing common tools, it will ask you for a password, you enter your password.
A few moments later.
And we can see that if something is already installed, you'll get these messages. And in the end, if everything went successfully, you will get this message. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyable. If so, please leave a like, a comment if you have something to add, like this tool is not necessary, you should add this, you should add that. Give me some feedback, and of course subscribe to the channel and get ready to enter the binary exploitation world. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.